Learning English, this is the serious part. The hippopotamus is very important to the health of Africa rivers and lakes. It down or solid waste helps Africa water ecosystem, but researchers warn that hippopotamus populations are decreasing. They say that could damage ecosystem, everything that lives in an environment. Also called hippos, they are the third largest land mammal after the elephant and rhinoceros. Hippos spend as much as 16 hours a day in the water. They go on land at night to feed. They eat more than 40 kilograms of grasses at each feeding. They return to the water where they release their waste. Douglas McCauley is an assistant science professor at the University of California, Santa Barbara. He and his team study the waste of hippos. He said there are a lot of nutrients, substances needed for life, that move throughout the environment through hippos, food, and their waste. He said scientists are interested in how these nutrients move across systems. Mr. McCauley says living on borderland and in water means hippos are important providers of nutrients. Every year, hippos provide over 60,000 kilograms of dung to African lakes and rivers. The study shows that some species on river fish need the dung in their diet. Mr. McCullough said some of nutrients in the dung are the building materials of life, but as researchers learn more about the importance of hippos, there are fewer of them. Mr. McCullough says across Sahara Africa, there has been a 10 to 20% drop in the past 10 years. He says humans are responsible for most of the drop in the hippo population. For VOA Learning English, I'm Alex Villarreal.